For Michael J. Fox, life hasn't been easy.
Hello?
Hi. I'm going through changes.
His voice is changing.
I mean, is there anything wrong with me?
He's got hair on his chest. Stop being a boy.
What do you think about to get worked up?
Volunteer for the fire department.
At last, he's become...
I volunteer on the trains every day. Counterterrorism work. My eyes are open. I observe almost everything. Well, I stay on Strong Island, which is out in Quincy. I get on, they take us to the red line.
He's always wanted to be something special, but he never expected this.
USA!
Teen Wol.
USA! Step away from the flag.
He's got style.
There's something different about you.
Oh, gangsters. This rap to you, black.
He's got
you and your
class.
Lexus and Benz with a walk back. You dropping off a trunk for the Keaton Corsi's Echo Company. Picking up. Oh, Lord.
He's got hair all over his body.
Wolves aren't supposed to be shy.
He's a wolf in teens clothing. And tonight is his night to howl.
Ow! Wolf, leader of the Warpath.
Fox, star of Back to the Future.
Follow me, sir! Racky looking people. I would drop them like they stole a package from a crackhead.